I wanted to talk just a little bit right now just about transitions to help you within conversations. I've just noticed a little bit lately with my students the difficulty in transitioning from, home to work, work to back home, conversations at work, conversations at home, interactions with their kids, interactions with their partners. And I've also been noticing it too, just with my toddler actually, and how he transitions and how we help him transition from activity to activity. And I think it's something that as adults we don't realize can be jarring for us, right? We know with a toddler that it is because their prefrontal lobe isn't formed yet until 25. And so we kind of understand that they have difficulty transitioning, but so do we. And I think it's important to remember to take 5 slow, deep breaths in the morning right when you wake up so that you transition into your day. 5 slow, deep breaths when you get to where you're going, to work, potentially to start your day. Then 5 slow, deep breaths when you leave work, after you leave work, before you go home, right? And then 5 slow, deep breaths before you go to bed. So if you start to see your day and the transitions that you have within the day, I just challenge you to use those breaks as a way to breathe just for 5 deep breaths, inhaling and exhaling for 5 deep breaths. And it will make such a difference in how you transition into conversations, how you transition away from leaving what's already happened in the beginning of the day to kind of starting a whole new day. It's almost as if each transition allows you the opportunity to begin again. So just a little practice for you to try, and let me know how it goes.